In this quick Excel tip, we will show you a useful feature called Flash Fill. Flash Fill helps you automatically extract, combine, or format data by recognizing a pattern. For example, if you have a list of full names and you want only the first name, just type the first result manually. Then highlight the column and press in your keyboard Ctrl and E. Excel understands the pattern and fills the rest of the column automatically. Or you can write the first name, then drag the column, and name will be copied. Select Flash Fill option, and Excel will amend the column and correct all the names accordingly. Also, Flash Fill can combine text. You can manually write the first name in full, then highlight the column and press Ctrl and E. Excel will recognize the pattern and fill the rest of the column automatically. You can also use Flash Fill to separate email names, combine text, or reformat numbers. It is simple, fast, and helps reduce manual work in Excel. Try Flash Fill today and make your work easier and smarter.